This is Saturday morning. We're going to the cemetery. We're at there. Okay, iesim. We're going to clean up the grave sites. This is Piertsgart cemetery. Ivars Alfreds in the back and Tonit, and then there's Lelda, Māris and Pārsla. Here we have gotten to the grave site. Alfred is spraying out blanket to haul off leaves. Pārsla is cleaning up. Here comes Tonīte. Ivars is helping her. There's a sign, but the lighting is terrible. Skapsti.
Tur ir Alberts un Lonija, bet
Alberts and Lonija.
Cik grūti ir izlasīt.
Grūtāk izlasīt.
Nemaz grūti, tas brūnais pāri.
That one can read.
Te bišķi redzē.
Tas ir labāk, tas ir.
Tu var izlasīt visu pantiņu.
Tur pat Zanis.
Tagad pantiņš ir sadzīts. Nevis padzīst, bet netīst.
Tonīt.
Var izlasīt pantiņu?
Var. Can read it.
Manuprāt, labs pantiņš, nezinu, kā kuram
Nu jā, labi. Izlej ārā, brālīt, pat ūdeni izlej ārā.
Valfrids and Dzidra. Dzidra is still living, obviously.
Te varējāt izliet tā.
Maybe it's a little better view of the date. Born
Nepareizi jau vajadzētu.
Born in 86. Dzidra's born in 1920. 19th of November. Here's sort of backing up, showing the crew at work. Cleaning up. Valfrids is on this side. Uncle is in the middle, and Albert is on that side. It's Albert's gravestone. For benefit of dates, Anete Uncle, a little boy. This is a grave of my teacher that I had in second grade. Here we're by the cemetery gate. We came to the side, so we could leave this way. There's Alfred. Okay.